The Mega E-Chuck is a collet chuck designed specifically for end milling. Importance is not only placed on run-out, but also on rigidity and gripping strength. Its collet uses a shallow taper to improve concentricity and an extended clamping length to obtain clamping accuracy. An incorporated ball thrust bearing in the nut prevents twisting of the collet, providing both high gripping force and accuracy. The tapered body helps to minimize vibration and deflection of the cutter body. 1.2 run out of collets is guaranteed at a length of 4 times the diameter. The standard collet can feed slit-through coolant to the cutting edges. Next, the Mega E-Chuck is machining the scroll geometry for an air conditioner compressor. The Mega E-Chucks are well balanced for high-speed applications and are ideal for end milling aluminum. Here, an aluminum billet is machined instead of using a die casting. For rough milling, the process comprises 4 steps, with a 295 thousandths depth of cut using a 472 thousandths end mill. For finishing, the depth of cut is 1 inch 181 thousandths, removing 4 thousandths of stock. The total machining time is 6 minutes and 40 seconds.